SEO used to be simple. You find a keyword, do some backlinks, and post optimized content, and boom, huge traffic. This is how you used to get great results, but the playbook is dead. Why is that? Well, it is mostly because of AI. AI has produced mass cheap content. And because of all of this cheap mass content, Google has cracked down even harder, coming through with multiple Google algorithm updates and even taking perfectly fine websites and ranking them all the way down. And I'm talking about websites that are used to getting millions of traffic per month to cutting down all the way to thousands and some hundreds. But SEO is not dead. Google still gets 5 trillion searches a year. That is still 100 times more than ChatGPT conversations in a year. So it doesn't mean SEO is dead. SEO has just evolved, and if you don't evolve with it, you might just waste months or even years. So the goal of today's video is to give you as much value as possible so that you don't waste your time on strategies that don't work. Bradley here from SEO Vendor, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I had to learn SEO from scratch. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should not use AI tools. Definitely utilize AI software and tools, but don't fully rely on just AI. In this video, I'm going to cover key fundamentals, strategies, and AI tools that you can utilize to beat the game in 2025. Okay, let's jump straight into this. First thing is first, learn the fundamentals of SEO, because the fundamentals have not changed. If you don't know the fundamentals of SEO, then that is your very first step. I'm not telling you to go and spend hours learning each fundamental of each SEO strategy. No, just familiarize yourself with the terminology and what it means. What is keyword research? What are the different keywords you get in your niche? What is backlinking? At the end of the day, you have to remember that search engines don't buy from you, people do. What I mean is we can't just write for algorithms no more, because Google doesn't reward you for this. Google can see the mass produce in AI content, and now what Google is looking for and doubling down on is the following: deliver the most relevant and most useful result for any search query. Instead of taking these old approaches to write for search engines, take the approach to provide quality. So get a user-obsessed mindset and produce genuinely quality content. I've gone through the HCU Google algorithm update, and time again, Google shows that this is what Google wants. Yes, it's not getting it right all the time. Some AI overview posts are saying that they need to put glue on pizza, but Google is trying and constantly improving. So I'm about to show you 2 useful tools that you can immediately use to enhance your content, get you better quality content, understand your business and brand, get relevant keywords, and fully optimize and enrich your content with SEO. Now, I'm not just saying to use these tools, post it, and you will flourish and succeed. Make your changes, but this is a beautiful base to start with to understand who your audience is and understand what quality content is about. Yes, the tools that I'm about to show you does pass AI detection tests, but Google in 2025 is so much smarter. So what I am saying is, yes, these tools will help and definitely enhance your work, but most importantly, understand your business and brand, what keywords to use, and how to produce quality content. Let's jump into it. So click the link below or just Google SEO Vendor. You can sign in for absolutely free. Yes, these advanced AI tools is free to use. So once you signed in, this is the overview of your dashboard. You're going to head over to AI SEO tools and select Insight Igniter AI. All you need to do is paste your website URL and your brand name, and what this will do is get the key attributes of your business. It looks at your market segments, it looks at competitors, and it just takes a strategic approach to fully look at your business, your brand, your website URL, and get you your key entities that you need. So for this example, let's use a dog parlor that's called Perfect Paws. Paste your website URL, your brand's name, and select Ignite. And immediately you have your website URL with your brand and your key entities. Now you can select Insight Details, and just like that, you have your web page with all the key entities. Mobile grooming for pets, safe and clean grooming environment. So you will see all of your key entities. Now you can just select your URL or select one of these entities. And when you scroll down, you'll see each key entity or the key entity that you have selected, where you can immediately do keyword research and get a full keyword list from that key entity. Or you can select the button right next to it and immediately write content on that key entity. You can also come up with the entire content plan, or have a look at your LLM visibility, which is your large language model visibility. So your visibility on large language models like ChatGPT. Now, when coming up with a content plan or doing keyword research on one of these key entities, it not only uses the key entity, it looks deeper into your business and your brand and gives you optimized content and optimized keywords aligned with your key entity, where your key entity is a part of your business and brand. It doesn't get smarter than this. But when you scroll down, you'll see a section that says improve your web page / brand. Now over here, you still have your key entities, and you can further optimize your title, meta description, H1 title, H2 title, paragraphs, simple description, whatever it is. You can optimize the content based on your key entities. And scrolling down, you can promote your website or brand by coming up with marketing descriptions, maybe product titles, product descriptions, sales descriptions. And lastly, scrolling down, you also have all your social platforms where you can instantly share your web page or brand and create a Facebook post, Twitter post, maybe a LinkedIn, Instagram, or a TikTok video description. All of this just by a click of a button. And the best part is, if you don't understand something about SEO, or when you have any question about SEO and your brand, you could just do this. Scroll back up, head to AI SEO tools, and now select SEO Assist. I will link the video in the description doing a full breakdown on SEO Assist and how you can literally ask any question and have your own SEO agent at your fingertips. Think of this like ChatGPT, but specifically for SEO. It will have a deep look into your brand, your business, and answer any question that you have regarding SEO. It will also give you buttons that will immediately take you to free advanced AI tools that you can immediately implement what you are asking it. This is exactly what I would do if I had to start SEO from scratch and understand what SEO is about. I hope that this video has provided you with a ton of value, and remember, quality is key. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, because SEO Vendor will be releasing a lot more new videos and a lot more new features. If you have any questions, leave it down in the description below. We would love to get back to you.